Yo, what up guys? It's Tristan Lady and we're back with another video. Today we got some I'm like really excited for. But first off, if you're new, like and subscribe. Show love, road to 300. And then before I get into what we're unboxing today, I want to show y'all what I'm wearing. I've got a Harley Davidson tee. I was on a cruise, some Jordan pants, and then Columbia 11s. But yeah, so we gotta, bro, this box is huge. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like, it's huge. I don't know, I mean, I don't know why it's so big, but they could have still used a smaller box, I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to find the best way to open this, where it doesn't like expose where I live and all that. I should have low-key brought a knife. There we go. I was so worried that this box is gonna get like completely soaked, and it kind of is, but thankfully I don't think the box is hurt. Yeah, so they wrapped up the box. That's kind of tough. Yeah, but that website is Giglio. It's like a designer store in Italy. As you can see, Rick Owens. Ooh. Oh, man. I'm so ready to see these. And then you got the Geos. Man, these are clean. These are clean, bro. I wanted a pair of Geos for so long. I feel like they're low-key like deformed from traveling overseas right now, but as soon as I wear them, they'll be good. So I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's like all over like gray leather, and then like right there, which I'll show you guys with the flash on. It's like 3M metallic. You know, you got your traditional, how they always have, like the Geobaskets always have that stripe, and then your traditional tongue. I'm just so happy to have these. I wanted a pair of Geos. I need to try these on real quick because I actually got an 11 because that was the only size they had left when I went to buy these. And my Ramones are actually a 45 and these are a 44. I've got a little bit of room in my Ramones. I'm definitely gonna have to put heel taps in these. They got the same white outsole as my Ramones. There's the zipper, and then there's the tongue. It's like a lighter gray on the inside. And then the insoles, it's almost like a creamish color, like the lining. It almost looks like an elephant. You of course got your Rick Owens like tote bag. I've literally got my other one right there. It's kind of tough. I don't know. I feel like you can wear it with a fit if you really want to. Oh, you also got secondary laces, but I just feel like I like the contrast between like the cream and the leather, because I feel like these are too close to actual leather, and I feel like it pairs really nicely with the outsole. Is there any other details I want to mention? I'll go ahead and show you guys on feet and how I would style these. And I'll tell you about sizing. I already know how comfort's going to be. The comfort is going to be like pretty much the same as the Ramones because they are the exact same tooling, just different uppers. But they both have leather uppers if you got main lines. But I'm going to go ahead and try these on and tell you guys how they fit. And probably give you guys like an on feet section and styling. Alright guys, so this is what the Geobaskets look like on feet. So yeah, this is one of the ways I would style them. This isn't like super like streetwear. It's kind of like casual, and it's not high fashion either. It's like, yeah, just a casual fit. I don't know. I feel like they look really good like this, but you can also dress them up or down, or go more in avant-garde look or streetwear look, however you want to rock them. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like this sweater looks really good, just a little bit like pulled up, kind of cropped. and then people are gonna kind of hate, but like I like to put my pants over. I mean, like, cause the Geobasket tongue's pretty big, so I mean it comes up pretty high, so you can I don't know. I just like to kind of put the pant over the tongue. But this is what it looked like if you were to have the tongue out. You kind of just have it like that, which isn't bad, but it's just not how I personally would wear it. But I might. I don't know. It just kind of depends on how you're feeling. If you want a little more flair, like try to make them less subtle, then you put the tongue out. That's how I would describe it, I guess. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what they look like on flash, because you can kind of see the 3M, but it like really shines when you have the flash on them. So this is what they look like when there's no light and just the flash. Like the 3M on these is crazy. Like it's honestly too much when you don't have like a light to distract you from how much it is. But if you have like the light on, it almost looks kind of purplish. I'll show you guys that in a second. So I don't know if it's just me, but when there's no flash on and it's just the pure light, they must have a little bit of a purplish tint to them. And then also, I don't know why, but this stripe on the medial side almost reminds me of like a Vans stripe. I don't know why, I just want to point that out. Alright guys, so yeah, that's kind of my overall like review and kind of how I'd style it, and like on feet of what these look like. Yeah, so I wanted a pair of Geobaskets for grip. I'm so happy to have these. Two other things I want to cover. So sizing. So I have like a decently wide foot, and I got a 45, which is an Italian 45, which is an equivalent to a size 12 US in my Ramones. And my Ramones fit a little bit big, but they're not too big, if that makes sense. Like they work. But I definitely, they only had in a size 44 for on Giglio by the time I got on there. I waited too long. They had my size originally, and I went ahead and risked it and got a 44, and they actually fit. But if you have a super wide foot, I would say don't get a 44. Or if you don't mind your if you can't stand shoes being snug. Sorry, I was struggling there, but they're a little bit snug right now. But I know my Ramones broke in a little bit, so I know these will break on just a little bit. So yeah, they definitely fit. So if you're not too wide, then you can definitely go down a full size in these, because that's what I did. And comfort, if you've never owned a pair of Ramones or Geobaskets, it's kind of like about like a Chuck 70, I'd almost put it, because this midsole, it's like all rubber, but then you have a nice insole. Let's see if I can pull it out. So they're actually not uncomfortable, and because usually when the leather breaks in, I actually think they're kind of comfortable, because the leather kind of forms around your foot. And in the insole, like the leather, like it's got leather on the top, and it like molds to your foot, if that makes sense. So, and then another thing I forgot to mention, the official colorway name of these, it says on the box, it's Pearl/Reflex/Milk. There you go. Yeah. Also, if you've never bought mainline Rick Owens or any Ricks, these boxes are huge. They're very well made. They're low-key tanks. They're heavy. Like, this is dead serious, a solid 2-pound box, I would say. I'm not good at measuring or trying to guess weight, but yeah, very high quality box, if that matters. I think it's a nice touch though. But yeah, I'm so happy to have these. So now I have 2 pairs of Ricks. But I'm very thankful for every one of y'all. We're on the road to 300. If y'all get this to 1,000 views I'll buy another pair of Ricks. I already know which pair I'd have in mind. It won't be Ramones or Geobaskets because we ain't got that type of bread. But yeah. So go ahead and run this video up. Keep showing love. Like, comment, share, do whatever you gotta do. And I'll probably post like some styling pictures of these soon on my Instagram. I might put that up on the video if I don't forget to edit it in. Because I don't know, I might find a better outfit to wear with these later down the road. I just kind of threw something on to show y'all what I just to give you an idea what I'd wear these with, or one of the outfit ideas. But I'll probably think of something else, honestly. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.